Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to copy the table to your from Excel to your Word. So actually for doing that, let's just choose table you want to copy. Let's just choose it and just tap on Command C for copying that. So after, you just need to open your Word, and after just tap with two fingers, just choose Paste Special. After, you just need to choose this Microsoft Worksheet object, just tap on Paste Link. So after, if you just add link, so it will change your table, even if you just change it in your Excel. So just tap on OK. So we just not copy not all, yeah. So let's just copy all like this. And now just tap on paste. So yeah, now we will paste all. Just paste special, just choose here, and now just tap on paste link. So here you can see our table. So if we now will change something here, so for example like this one, so after update it will also update it here to update link. Let's just save this, and now let's. So sometimes we also can have some issues. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.